Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives in Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store, then find app called RAR, it's RAR, hit the search button, then install this app. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Then grant it all file access and go back. Dismiss this notification and app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.